If your Revolut account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any communication from Revolut about the restriction, and any documents that may support your case. Step 2. Access the help section. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Submit a support request. Use the in-app chat feature to submit a support request. Clearly explain your situation, including details about the restriction and why you believe it should be lifted. Attach any supporting documents if necessary. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a few days, follow up on your request. You can do this through the same chat feature or by checking your email for any updates from Revolut. Step 5. Be patient and persistent. Understand that the review process may take time. Be patient, but if you do not receive a satisfactory response, consider escalating the issue through additional channels such as social media or consumer protection agencies. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Revolut. Good luck.